We want to cook beef tongue. We have some onions, garlic cloves, peppercorns, and some bay leaves. I've put the tongue in the pressure cooker. I'm going to add all the ingredients. Onions, unpeeled garlic cloves, 2 bay leaves, and a few peppercorns. Add some water. Cook it for 2 hours. We heat butter, add some flour, add mushrooms, some oil. Let's season it with some salt, some pepper, and thyme. Add a glass of milk. Slowly pour over it. Done. Simmer it until it thickens. Turn the stove off and add some cream. Here's our mushroom sauce. I've opened the pressure cooker after 2 hours. What we have here is a completely cooked beef tongue. Let's start peeling the tongue. Easily. Wow, very hot. Can be peeled very easily. Remove bones as well. Now that we have peeled it completely, we cut it into thin slices. Remember, we didn't season our meat with salt. It's now time to salt it. Melt some butter. Add more salt.